100 English words that start with O. Listen and repeat for beginners. Okay, Myra. Are you ready?
Of course, Mike.
Because today is all about the letter O.
O for opportunity.
O for open minds.
And O for 100 new English words.
You listen,
You repeat.
and we all grow together.
Listen and repeat.
Oath,
Oath.
object,
Object.
obey,
Obey.
objected,
Objected.
objective,
Objective.
observation,
Observation.
observe,
Observe.
obstacle,
Obstacle.
occasion,
Occasion.
occupation.
Occupation. Great start.
Keep repeating with us. Occupy,
Occupy.
ocean,
Ocean.
octopus,
Octopus.
odd,
Odd.
offer,
Offer.
office,
Office.
officer,
Officer.
official,
Official.
often,
Often.
oil.
Oil.
You're doing great.
Stay with us, it gets better.
Okay.
Okay.
Old,
Old.
olive,
Olive.
Olympic,
Olympic.
on,
On.
once,
Once.
one,
One.
onion,
Onion.
online,
Online.
only.
Only halfway through.
You're doing amazing. Open,
Open.
opening,
Opening.
operate,
Operate.
operation,
Operation.
opinion,
Opinion.
opponent,
Opponent.
opportunity,
Opportunity.
oppose,
Oppose.
opposition,
Opposition.
option.
Option.
Let's keep the pace.
You're learning fast.
Orange,
Orange.
orbit,
Orbit.
order,
Order.
ordinary,
Ordinary.
organ,
Organ.
organization,
Organization.
organize,
Organize.
origin,
Origin.
original,
Original.
other.
Other. Just a little more.
You're doing excellent. Otherwise,
Otherwise.
ought,
Ought.
hour,
Hour.
hours,
Hours.
out,
Out.
outcome,
Outcome.
outdoor,
Outdoor.
outer,
Outer.
outfit,
Outfit.
outline,
Outline.
final 10. Let's go.
Say them with confidence.
Output,
Output.
outside,
Outside.
outstanding,
Outstanding.
oven,
Oven.
owner,
Owner.
overcome,
Overcome.
overlook,
Overlook.
overseas,
Overseas.
over,
Over.
oxygen.
Oxygen. And that's 100 amazing O words.
You did it!
Repeat these again and again.
And your English will grow stronger every day.
Subscribe to English Podcast.
And keep learning with us.
You're not just learning words.
You're opening new doors.